Taking pictures
of the little bitty fire.
I am documenting the process.
I am.
Just in case we need to learn how to do it when you're not here.
Yeah. Hi, Zeke Poo.
We're just girls, we don't know how to do such stuff.
I am going to totally kick your ass.
You have to bleep that word out.
Yeah, Zeke Poo. Nothing but ice, babies. Careful on the ice.
God,
this is probably worse. The worst that I've seen the backyard in years.
the only problem is that thing is on the outside, and you can see a bird feed out here. I actually done another run out and back.
Yeah. Well, Zeke's already been finding little nuggets.
Yep.
And so they're gonna get, you know, even though we're moving it in so that we have a little bit of a path, they're going to get some bird seed. But this is the main problem. Gypsy, see? It's treacherous over there. Why are you guys going around that way?
Maybe we can get it over here. It's like a, you know, a fly at the window. Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time.
Oh, you guys. Go find some ice. Are you fascinated by the fire? Is Gypsy fascinated by the fire? What's he doing? You're gonna go get your buddy. Go get Zeke. Go get Zeke. Hi, little squirt.
I can fit through that. Bang! Maybe this time, maybe this time, maybe this time.
What you got, Zeke?
Whatever I can find.
Whatever I find, I keep. Zeke. Hey, Lizzie. Do you want to try it? Do you want to try it?
Don't teach her.
Do you want to try it?
Fit.
If she really, really, absolutely 100% wanted to,
Oh yeah.
she could do it. But she'd have to really want to. Hi, Gypsers. How about you? You want to stick your head through? You can stick your head through. You can stick your head through.
Don't teach him that, man. We're gonna try.
Aww.
See, yeah. He's trying to stick his head through and get birdseed. Yum, birdseed.
Hey!
Maybe my tongue can reach far enough.
You. Yeah, you. This is one of the main reasons we're doing this.
Right.
Because of you. Careful, it's hot. Smoke on the water. Uh-oh. Now I gotta stand back, because otherwise I get splooshed. Look, yeah, there ain't. It's all water. Well, you've got a little bit of a mud pile here that you can kind of sort of make a barrier with. Sandcastles! Oh. Yeah, but see, I don't think they give you gasoline on Survivor.
No, they don't. That's okay, because we have it here and we're not on Survivor.
Zeke, he is just skirting around the outside.
Trying to find a way in.
Not trying to find a way in. Picking up seed at every little conceivable spot.
I'll clean up the perimeter.
Yeah. I'm sure you will, mon frere. I'm sure you will.